Now we can discuss the sixth question, 2.1, sixth question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay, then the picture is 7, 3 on 5 centimeter wide, and to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7, 3 on 10. Then how much should be the picture trimmed? So the question is, there is a one picture, then the width of picture is given that width of picture is given that 7, 3 on 5 centimeter. Okay. Then next clue is width of frame is given. Width of frame, what is that? 7, 3 on 10. So anyway, the picture should not be more than 7, 3 on 10. So what can we do? We can cut the picture outside border, we can cut it. So how much centimeter we need to cut? That we can find out by subtraction. So here the figure is greater. They said it as very clearly, the picture is greater than the frame. So to fit that picture in that frame, actually the picture is this much, but the frame is this much only. So we have to cut that. How much we need to cut? So we can find by subtraction 7, 3 on 5 minus 7, 3 on 10. That much centimeter we have to trimmed out. Okay, so 7 5s are 35 plus 3, that is 38 on 5 minus 7 times 10, 70 plus 3, 73 on 10. That much centimeters. So both are in unlike fraction. First we have to convert this into like fractions. So we can find the LCM of 5 and 10. Now we can, it is very clear. 5's table 10 is there, 10's table 10 is there. So it's very easy. If one clue is there, if 2 or 3 or 5, no problem. If how many numbers doesn't matter. But now we can think about two numbers here, 5 and 10 or 2 and 4. Anyway, then if two numbers are given and one number is the multiple of the another number, given number itself. So here example 5 and 10. 5's table 10 is there, also 10's table 10 is there. So 10 will be the LCM. Then in case of 2 and 4, 4's table 4 is there and 2's table 4 is there. So we can say 4 is the LCM. In case of 10 and 20, in 10's table 20 is there, also 20's table 20 is there. So we can say LCM is 20. Okay, the greatest number will be the LCM. So here 10 will be the LCM. So we can write 38 and 5 times 2, 10, 38 times 2, 10. Sorry, we have to multiply numerator also by 2 itself. Then 73 on 10. We don't want to multiply actually. But by 1 we will get the same answer. If you are multiplying or not multiplying, no problem. We will get the same value itself. We don't want to multiply actually because 10 times 1 is 10 itself. So no use at all. We don't want to think about the number while converting into like fractions because 10 is the LCM. Here 5. 5 we have to think. 5 times 2's are 10 and 38 times 2, that is equal to 76. 76 on 10 minus 73 on 10. That much centimeter. So here we got denominators are same, that is like fractions. So now we have to subtract only the numerators and write the denominator. Don't forget to write the denominator. That is very important. Okay. That much centimeter. So 76 minus 73. That is 3. 3 on 10. So we have to cut 3 on 10 centimeter. We have to trimmed by 3 on 10 centimeter. Our picture we should be trimmed by 3 on 10 centimeter. Is it clear? Now we can discuss 7th question. Ritu ate 3 on 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? And who had the larger share by how much? So here one apple is there. Okay. Then so we can, the first clue is part of apple eaten by Ritu. So what is that? 3 on 5 part is eaten by Ritu. Then part of apple eaten by Somu. What is that? So we have to find that. That means there was one apple. From this apple, Ritu got 3 on 5 part on it. Okay. So here an apple cut into 5 pieces. Actually this is the problem. An apple cut into 5 pieces. Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among these, 3, 1, 2, 3. This much part got for our Ritu. Okay. And what is the remaining? 1, 2. So 2 parts are remaining. So who will get 2 on 3? 2 on 5. 5 pieces are there. Total 5 pieces are there. Among this, 3 got our Ritu and remaining 2 on 5 got to our Somu. Okay. So we have to do this by using our mathematical steps. Okay. 1 minus 3 on 5. How can we subtract? Here it is whole number. We have to make this one as a fraction. So 1 we can write it as 1 on 1. Okay. Minus 3 on 5. Clear? Here 1 and 5. Denominators are 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5. What is that? 1 into 5. That is equal to 5 itself. So we have to convert this 1 multiplied by 5. We will get 5 as the denominator. So numerator also 1 itself. So we can write 1 times 5 itself. Okay. Then 3 on 5. 5. Here also LCM same. Okay. Then 1 5 is equal to 5. Then 1 5 is 5. Subtraction 3 on 5. Okay. Now this is in the form of like fraction. So 5 is the denominator. Then we can subtract numerators. 5 minus 3. That is equal to 2 on 5. Clear? Now the next question is, who had the larger share? So Ritu got 3 on 5 part and Somu got 2 on 5. So these are like fractions. So we can compare numerators. 3 is greater than 2. So we can say Ritu got more apple than Somu. Okay, this is for our Somu and this is for our Ritu. Clear for you? Then how much? By how much? Greater. So we can find Ritu got 3 on 5 and Somu got 2 on 5. We can say Ritu got 1 piece extra. So he got 1 on 5. Actually, how can we find it in the mathematical way? That is, Ritu got more piece. That is 3 on 5. How much? How can we find out? By subtraction. Smaller number from the greatest number. So we can find the difference between these two. So these are in like fraction. So 5 denominator, then 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 on 5. So 1 on 5 part is greater than, larger than Somu. That means the Ritu's share is larger share of Somu. How much? By 1 on 5. Clear? Actually, the question is very easy. There was an apple cut into 5 pieces and Ritu got 3 pieces. Remaining part, that means 2 pieces will be there, our Somu. So we can say Ridu got more part than our Somu. So how many pieces? One piece extra. Only this is the problem. But we have to find how can we write the mathematical steps for this question. And we have to compare the fractions. How can we find the difference between two fractions? Okay. Then the next question is 8th question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 on 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture 3 on 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? That means Michael and Vaibhav were doing one work. Then in 1 hour, for this Michael took 7 on 12 part for this 1 hour, and for this Vaibhav took 3 on 4 part of 1 hour. So here actually who took more time to complete this work? Who took more time to complete? Who took more time to finish this work? How can we find out? We have to compare the fractions. These two are in like fractions. Then we have, these two are unlike fractions. We have to convert this into like fractions by finding the LCM of denominators. Then convert both fractions into LCM as the denominator. Then how much more is the second part? So how can we do that? We have to find the difference of these two fractions. Okay, it's very easy. So actually for this Michael, that is 7 on 12 hour. And for this Vaibhav, that is 3 on 4 of an hour. Maybe 1 hour itself. Okay, 1 hour is 7 on 12 and 1 hour is 3 on 4. So now we can compare these two. First we can find the LCM of 12 and 4. We have studied if two numbers are there and one number is a multiple of another number, then that number will be the LCM. Here 12 and 4. 12's table 12 is there. Also 4's table 12 is there. So 12 will be the LCM. Okay, then now we know 7 on 12. We can write in that way itself, and but this 3 on 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this will be 9 on 12. So I think 9 on 12. 9 is and 7 on 12. We can compare these two. 9 is greater than 7. Both the denominators are same. So keep it there. Then compare the numerators 7 and 9. 9 is greater than 7. So we can say Vaibhav took more time to finish that work. Okay. So Vaibhav worked for longer time. How much more? So this is the greatest fraction. Okay. That means 3 on 4 is greater than 7 on 12. So we can take away 7 on 12 from 3 on 4. Okay. Not 14. 4. Okay. Now we got the like fractions of these two. That means 9 on 12 minus 7 on 12. 9 on 12 is equal to 3 on 4. We got it here. So from this we can subtract 7 on 12. So now these are in like fraction. Then 9 minus 7. That is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 on 12. So 2 on 12 we can reduce in the simplest form by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So we can say Vaibhav took 1 on 6 part of an hour more than our Michael. Clear? So I think now you got the idea how can we find the solutions by using fractions. Okay.